Hello everyone, and welcome to another webinar brought to you by Raz-Lee Security. I'm Eli Spitz, Vice President of Business Development at Raz-Lee, and in this webinar we'll focus on how the iSecurity screen capture solution can be used to supplement your organization's security, auditing, and compliance efforts by providing a foolproof audit trail of the screens actually viewed by your users. You'll see that one picture is truly worth 1,000 words. Can you identify with any of the 7 needs listed on this slide? Do you sometimes need to confirm which screens were accessed by someone? Would it help to know whether a command was invoked from the command line or from a CLP? How can you quickly analyze a certain sequence of events? Are you sure that the information displayed was masked as the user contends it was? How long was a certain user's screen exposed, etc.? Capturing 5250 sessions adds an extra dimension to the forensics of auditing user activities. Indeed, a comprehensive audit trail provides detailed knowledge not only of what users did, but also how they did it. And by doing less, this would imply that you're unable to reconstruct events. You may fail best practice auditing and compliance standards. You'll have ineffective troubleshooting and problem analysis procedures. This will induce poor individual accountability on the part of your users, and you won't have legally binding evidence. So in order to resolve all this, Raz-Lee provides a full-featured audit solution, which does more than just produce log files and audit reports. It also incorporates the following functionalities. It captures and retains user screen activity. It enables easy navigation through captured sessions. You can play back session recordings. You can selectively capture certain screens. You can identify business items, that is, key data, such as loan number, account number, patient number, wherever they appear on the screen. And you can also comply with regulatory compliance standards. Raz-Lee's iSecurity suite has many different products. We're going to focus on what you see here on the upper left of the screen. The screen capture solution, which is a 5250 screen tracking product, which automatically captures and saves user activity as it's displayed on an IBM i workstation. Now, capture is provided at no extra charge to licensees of Authority on Demand. Authority on Demand is a product which enables you to allocate higher authority to a user who needs such higher authority. But what we do want to do is to provide a full audit trail of the activity of that user during a session. And that's where capture comes in. So the workflow of capture is, number 1, to create a rule based on the user profile, the job, the IP address, or time group, to define business items based on field attributes, part of a field name, part of a field text, to begin the screen capture session, and at the end of the session to play back the recordings either by individual frames or the entire session of the user, and afterwards to be able to search the session which was recorded for a particular character string, perhaps social security number, perhaps credit card mask, to email the session, log file, to print it, etc. Here we're looking at the definitions for creating a capture rule. The rule sequence on top with a description, what to capture, in other words, from what IP address, what subnet mask, from within which time group. Are we talking about capturing screens on weekends, on particular days, etc.? From which terminal ID? Which users to capture? Are we talking about user profiles, generic user profiles, group profiles, special users with special authorities, and whether or not we're going to log CL commands? We can define business items, as I said, based upon the type of field, its length, part of the field name, part of the field text in different libraries. And at the end of a session, we see here a list of all the captured log sessions based upon the user, the terminal, the number of frames which were captured, the IP address of the session, the starting and ending time, and you can see on top that we can even email the session log as an HTML file. So when we play back the captured events in succession, we can see, for example, here the sign-on screen. We'll see the OS400 main menu with the show FC command on the command line. We'll enter here the name of the file, and which is demo.pf, and in the end we'll see this screen, which is our file scope product, which is our file editor, which we have been selling worldwide for many, many years. This then is the sequence of captured screens. We can search this sequence for a certain character string, in this case HP0003, which we found on frame 6 of this session, as you can see here. So we have evidence of what the user actually did, what the user actually saw, and this can certainly be of use to the help desk, to system administrators, and others as well in the organization. So in conclusion, recording user screen activity provides forensic information that can help you to quickly confirm and support what has actually happened on your system. And since one screen action can trigger a multitude of transactions, and as a result, we offer a fast and clear route to problem analysis and to proving compliance with regulatory standards. I hope I've proven to you that iSecurity Capture is a must-have solution that will add yet another dimension to your auditing and investigative capabilities. We'll be glad to hear from you. Have a great day.